In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Copilot versus ChatGPT. Let's break down how they differ, when to use each one, and what to expect once you start working with them. First, Microsoft Copilot is built directly into the tools many of us already use every day, like Word, Excel, and Outlook. Think of it as an assistant that lives alongside your documents, spreadsheets, and emails. In Word, it can help you draft, rewrite, or tighten a document without leaving the page. In Excel, it can help analyze data and explain trends in plain language. And in Outlook, it can summarize long threads or suggest polished replies. Because it's integrated, Copilot understands the context of the file or message you're working on, subject to your existing permissions. That makes it especially powerful for productivity and workflow, where speed and consistency matter. A helpful tip here: the clearer your request and the more context you provide, the better Copilot can align its output with your intent. Now, ChatGPT is a standalone AI chatbot. You access it in a browser or app, and you can ask it almost anything. It shines at open-ended conversation, brainstorming, creative writing, and coding help. If you're stuck on a first draft, need a fresh angle, or want a code snippet explained, ChatGPT is excellent at exploring ideas from many directions. Unlike Copilot, it isn't automatically connected to your files or inbox, so you bring the content into the chat as needed. That makes it flexible and neutral. It won't assume workplace context unless you provide it. To get strong results, be specific about your goal. Offer examples of the tone or format you want, and ask it to iterate until it fits. When it comes to access and pricing, Copilot is tied to Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Depending on your plan, it may be included or available as an add-on, and your organization's admin settings govern how it works with your data. ChatGPT is offered directly through OpenAI, with a free tier and a paid pro option that typically unlocks faster responses and more capable models. If you're deciding between them, consider where your work happens. If most of your day is in Word, Excel, and Outlook, Copilot's deep integration can save real time. If you need a versatile conversational partner for learning, creativity, and coding across many topics, ChatGPT is a great fit. Many people use both: Copilot for embedded productivity and ChatGPT for broad ideation and troubleshooting.